Good morning, guys, it's Parker. Eddie is turning around. Apparently he had a late night last night, although so did we. It's now 9 o'clock in the morning, going to a Cars and Coffee. Why people do these Cars and Coffee things so early in the morning on weekends, I don't know, but apparently that's the way adults do things. Eddie, what? Eddie's literally sideways in the middle of the road. What are you doing? What is this? U-turn. That's a U-turn. Screw you! This is what happens when Eddie gets a 2 mph over the speed limit ticket. He drives under the flow of traffic. He's solidly behind a Sienna. I'm in Strada mode, which is the slowest. It's called street mode, and I never go in Strada mode, but we're following Eddie, so figured it was a perfect opportunity to get great gas mileage and see if maybe I can beat the gas mileage of the i8 because it's struggling to go the speed we are. 10 minutes later, Eddie has arrived.
Finally. You have to stop and charge.
RS7, R8 V10. Rolling out to a car meet. It looks like a good turnout. Let me know what you guys think of the RS7. I'm pretty sure I know the answer, and that is freaking awesome, but I love it in blue. That would be a heck of a daily driver for sure. We got an old Aston. We got a 6x6. I've never seen a 6x6 in my life. That is marvelous. Well, this was an unexpected treat. Six by six. Never seen one of these. This is awesome. It's a Brabus too. We're at the high octane Cars and Coffee event. Eddie is blocking the RS7 with his back. What are you doing? Apparently this has race gas, 110 octane in it, and they can handle it without a tune. Whether that's true or not, let us know. But it hasn't exploded apparently. There's a lot of cool stuff out here today. Brabus 6x6, mil spec. Yeah, I've never seen either of these two cars. The Enzo surrounded by so many people you can't see it. And then we got Eddie's i8 right here. Eddie, where are you going? Oh wait. And then we've got a manufacturer 2017 GTR. Haven't seen one of these in person. Looks pretty awesome. Ford GT is heading out. Ooh. Watch as everyone is taking videos with startup. Thank you. Oops. Oh, sorry, Eddie. This is more important. Watch as a rare Eddie tries to parallel park. non-successfully.
There you go.
That was not very good. Got a meetup going on. It's the Gratiot Cruise today. What do you got to say about it, baby?
Oh, that's your boy, baby.
All right, he doesn't have much to say. But got a bunch of cars here in the parking lot, the Hooters parking lot. And
Hooters. That was a good
this is the second time I've ever been to Hooters, and both times I was editing videos. So, fun life. It is actually a lot of fun. Sometimes editing gets in the way of eating. It looks like Eddie's meeting up with some GT350 owners.
He's got the tech pack delete, so he has no radio or anything. Probably around 2% of cars.
Really?
2% of the 350Rs built. Look, it just got a cover right there.
Wow.
I got my little Bose Bluetooth speaker in my door. Yes, you can, that's for music right there.
That is awesome. I like it.
Yeah.
Check this guy out on YouTube. Awesome subscriber. What is that? What even is that? Is that one of them there lambs?
This is a Mustang.
All right, dope. Oh, this is the RAR. The RAR. Wow, we got a squad out here on, what was it? Gratiot?
Gratiot Crew.
Gratiot. We got our awesome new technician, Mark. Got the 430, the Gallardo.
Hey, look at the black GTR.
We got the black EcoBoost 5.0. He does? All right.
Hey, look at the black
And then
GTR.
apparently there's a police officer that wants to see my car. Well, we're back at Troy's house on the awesome off-road course. I'm gonna continually give you crap, Troy, until you guys fix it. They were literally, it's so bad they were considering just paving it themselves, but the neighborhood has to agree to it. Got the cars out in Troy's driveway. He's really stoked about his new Ronin M. These things are awesome. We've got one of these. Love it. Got a hell of a squad right here.
Where the hell am I?
What are these things? Your pool's too fancy. Doggy.
No.
Vehicle versions. What do you think of vehicle versions? Vehicle versions sucks. Our camera's about to run out of battery, so we should film an ending. Hope you enjoy this video. Hope you enjoy this video. Like always, please browse our channel and subscribe. I like Eddie's Prius Superleggera. Yep, that's the end of this video. And we're gonna talk awkwardly until we decide to edit it out. There we go.
No, you can feel like the little holes in the back. Like
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
Up at the top.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can feel it. Yeah.
Yeah. He said he can feel it.
Oh, you can.
Can you feel me now, Mr. Krabs? Can you feel me?